Mammoth Lakes, California is getting an insane amount of snow. Since the beginning of the year, 6 feet has fallen. Mammoth Mountain is definitely busy, but people have been having powder days of their life. The riding has been exceptional. There are huge snow piles, and you can even ski on the sidewalk, like this guy. Most first floor buildings are completely caved in. And that's why most living spaces and kitchens in Mammoth Lakes are on at least the second floor, and most of the bedrooms are on the bottom floor. If you'd like a home in the mountains and have powder days almost every day, DM me home for a free Mammoth Lakes real estate strategy session.